That mold is hard to get rid of.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got this garage here, so we're gonna take this garage door off, finish the ceiling, and we're gonna try to end up putting a kitchen, a laundry room over there, kitchen over here, and the living room. And you see this height here is actually too small for a regular door, so we're just gonna put a window there also. That'll give them some more light for that living room, and turn this downstairs into a 3-bedroom. So this was just a one-family home, 3 bedrooms upstairs, and there was a garage there, and there was a bathroom downstairs. So we closed up this entrance here where it's just going upstairs, and we closed the garage right here, and we put a separate entrance. This way you can have 2 families living, and we made 3 bedrooms downstairs. Let's go check it out. So we took this garage door off and reframed it. This door needs one more coat of paint. And as we come in here, we set a kitchen on this wall here because we wanted to get as much room in this room as possible. And you see we squeezed everything in where we can get it on one wall, and then the renter can put whatever they want out here. And of course we got the new floor. We got that certain type of door there to give them a little bit of light. We didn't want to put a window there because they might want to put their cows on that side and this side. Let me give another view here. So this was a garage, and there was no sheetrock or anything, so we had to reframe it, add the lighting, block in the poles, frame the ceiling. It looks like a design on the ceiling, but it actually was framed to cover up the pipes as much as we can without dropping the whole ceiling. Even this is filled with pipes. And then I had to run a drain line, electrical line for the stove, separate line for the microwave, refrigerator. I didn't want to put a dishwasher because that's just something they can break. Got a nice little backsplash. And then in here, I set up a opening here where they can just change the vent. And instead of putting louver doors, I put a regular door here. This would eliminate the noise for the washer and dryer and the heating and air. And that's the washer and dryer room there. And then we go in here, and just the little closet underneath the steps. I had to put it at an angle. This way they can put some more clothes here and some storage. Added another light here. And then we go in the first bedroom. I had to chop it up as much as I can. Same thing, the LED lights. These new lights, they have chips now. There's no light bulbs. This way, as a landlord, they would never have to worry about changing the light bulbs. And then this is supposed to be the master, so I had to make 2 shelves out of this one. This way they can get as much as possible in here, and also add a light. And then we come out of this room. Again, this was one big room, like down here. Again, we had to reframe it, drywall, electrical lines, had to put outlets in there, switches. There was no switches in here. Same thing, had to reframe this room. This was not a room, so I had to make a little hallway here. It was the only way to actually frame it in where you can enter this room. And then same thing, as you can see, we left some of the old paneling there. We didn't need that, and these are the walls we built. Same thing, added a closet. Just one shelf was good enough for this room. Good size room. Same thing, we got the lower floor all the way through. Now the last bedroom, same thing. Got the sliding door closet. And now the bathroom was very hard too, because I tried to update it as cheap as I can. So I laid the towel on top of towel, and I just went with some basic towel. And there was actually a window. There was a window in this bathroom, so I covered the window, reframed it, and I laid towel on top of towel, which you would never know unless you check right in this corner here. This is the old towel that we painted over. And then we changed up the ceiling. These particular homes never had a exhaust fan, so I put exhaust fan there. And before, they had a shower curtain. So the purpose to put that fan with the light there is to get some light in the shower without actually adding a light. So that's actually exhaust fan, very quiet too. Then we got the regular light here. Nice little vanity. And the toilet, there was a problem here because it actually wouldn't fit, so I actually built it in the wall. That was different. Shower doors this way. They won't spill any water this way. All new doors. And that's a good job for the handyman. Again, a quick overview. We focused on the kitchen and the bathroom. And here they can do what they want to do, but we wanted to give them as much room as possible. And you see we did the extra molding around the door and the window here, because this is the major room here.